Hi guys, in today's video you will learn how to embed a PDF inside the Outlook email body in 2026. Now you need to remember that Outlook can't open a full PDF directly in the message area, but there are two simple ways to display its content visually inside the email. So without further delay, let's get straight into it. So first of all, you need to open your Outlook application on your PC or on your laptop. Once you have done that, simply just log in into your Outlook account if you haven't already. Over here, click on the option of new mail in order to see this type of pop-up in front of you. Here, simply in the to section, provide the email address of the person to whom you want to send this PDF. After that, simply give the subject. Now here, you need to open the PDF on your computer. So as you can see, this is the PDF that I have. Now you can either take a screenshot of it, or you can use this snipping tool and you can just get the picture of this particular document just like so. Now once you have the screenshot or the photo of that document available, you need to come inside your Outlook application again. In the body of your message, you just have to simply provide that particular screenshot in the form of image that you normally do. So click on the option of this clip icon here on the top. Now click on the option of browse. Over here, select that particular screenshot that you have taken from our PDF. Now just simply send the email like you normally do. So this particular method works best if you have a one-page PDF, if you have any kind of letter, ticket, receipts or certificates. Now if your PDF has multiple pages, you just have to open it on your computer and use the print feature in order to save each of the page as an image. Now you need to insert those images one by one in your email body, and Outlook will display them in the correct order. So if you want the PDF to stay fully readable while still showing a preview, you can use another method in which you can just drag the PDF into the message window and Outlook is going to attach it normally. When you can insert the first page as an image preview and keep the full PDF as an attachment. So to make the email cleaner, you can also add a small note above the preview saying that the full PDF is attached below. So this tells the receiver that the embed content is only a visual preview. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.